me tell you something about no channel. It's gonna be real. I cannot be like one of those people who look nice 24/7. I even got my makeup on. I'm not gonna be one of those people who look nice in their vlogs all the time. Like, I'm ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna be comfortable. I had a funeral today, so when I got home, because I looked nice when I got home, I got comfortable. Put my pajama pants on, my hoodie, lay down, took a nap, kind of like a cat nap. While the hubby watched the small one. Now she's laying down, so if you hear cries, because she's really, really tired and she needs a nap. So, I'm gonna make another HelloFresh because I have no other meat thawed out. It's my last meal for the week until next week and when it comes in. So, tomorrow I'm doing a grocery haul. So tonight's gonna be like a small, very, very small vlog because I'm not gonna record a funeral. That's a private time that is just not right. So I'm gonna do like a small vlog today, tonight. Of me cooking and getting stuff done. I did a clean with me yesterday, which I need to put on my computer and edit. So there will be a video up tomorrow. I need to upload the video I edited yesterday today. So this should be on my channel every day this week, a video. I'm trying to give y'all a video almost every day. I mean, you're not going to probably get one probably Sunday, maybe. I know Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, I might put those together. So you might not have videos those days. Because it's the holidays. Come on, you guys, spend time with your family. But I'm going to try to at least get a video up every day. So, even if it's small, even if it's unique, even if it's kind of like, yeah. But, at least it's a video. So, you're going to see me be chill and realistic in my loungewear. And my hair looking like a mess. So, I'm gonna cook, watch my Hulu while I cook, and just make dinner for my family. Then after that, probably clean up a little bit and legit call it a day. Because I'm that tired. I'm surprised I even grabbed the camera. So, but let's do this.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we
Got that booty up.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth. Even
I am not good at cooking hamburgers. Well, like I'm burning them. I'm not made for this. I'm not a manly man.
you said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm
The husband for the rescue. Cause the girl can't make hamburgers in the kitchen. Yeah, did I get them too brown? They're fine? They were gonna get there if I kept on, right? No, no, I'll tell you. Yeah. Especially with no shirt on. That was stupid right there. No shirt. Will that take the juice out? Just take enough juice out?
That's enough juice out. Yeah, look, it gets cooked back into it.
Yeah. Not on the grill though.
Not on the grill because it's
Goes right through. Is that your remote?
vibrating.
Yeah. I was like, what the heck is that noise?
Another thing you can do.
Put an air in it. Like you doing bologna.
You don't hurt if you cut it.
I try to like somewhat cut through it with the spatula anyway to see if it's done.
One thing you got to do that right there.
Oh, well.
Spread it apart like that.
Okay. Me, I just like to get all up in it to make sure for real it's done. I had the cheese over there whenever it's ready.
So when you squish it like that,
Yeah,
if you don't see blood,
it's done.
that's it.
Mama don't know how to cook.
Okay, that's not red.
No, that's just juice.
It's juice. So, when it comes like 10, they're probably done. Since I didn't start them off. See, I'm not sure about the meat either. But to me, that looks good.
Okay, you're eating it and I'm eating it, so you got to trust your not being raw.
I mean, if it's a little pink, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. But anytime you cook a burger in a frying pan, you cook it on high.
Okay,
You gotta cook it on,
low.
well, not low.
At least medium.
Yeah. Use medium.
What?
Order the damn thing, either buy new these fucking screws to buy new damn eyes.
I want you to buy new eyes. It's cheaper
Yeah.
than buying a whole new stove.
Something else you can do too.
What?
Lid.
Goes down there.
It will cook both sides.
Well, is it ready for cheese?
Let them. The whole thing is round too. Well, the eye.
The eyes. You're not really cooking on one each even thing.
Let the grease mess it up. What you do? You don't see that coming out of that back.
Yeah.
See that coming out of that one. See that coming out of that one. See that coming out of that one.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoe. I'm going out tonight? Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh,